Yo, BJ Gaddour here, and get ready for the 3-way biceps blaster ladder. Here's what we do. We do 1 reverse curl, move to 1 underhand curl, then 1 hammer curl. Then we go 2, 2, 2. Exhale up, inhale down. More of a forearm emphasis there, more of a bicep emphasis here, and more brachialis right in between the biceps and triceps. On the hammer curl. Now, take that ladder as high as you can. Try to get to at least 5 reps total. And if you really want to challenge yourself, work your way back down. You want to make this even better? Take these dumbbells into the pool to combine dead weight resistance with the continuous fluid resistance that the water applies, or just go straight water bell for pure fluid, continuous tension, more precious pumps that are easy on the joints. Love you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share. Peace.